Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Bitcoin breakdown. Another episode today. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. I want to give a quick shout out to everybody watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Make sure you mash that subscribe button and hit that bell if you have not already. All you newbie viewers, make sure you stay until the end. We'll be revealing our free ebook, The Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. Has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some key things I think you'll need to know in order to make it in this market. So let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right in. Today, I want to talk about another thing that's pretty negative in the news, but hasn't had much effect. Something we just talked about the other day with the Quadriga exchange in Canada, the owner dying in a scandalous kind of news article. Anyways, he lost about $190 million. Now we've got the breaking news. Major cryptocurrency brokerage, COINMAMMA, many of you have heard, was hacked. 450,000 users are infected in this massive worldwide breach. Now, COINMAMMA is one of the largest crypto brokerage in the global market with 1.3 million active users. Suffered a security breach on February 15th. Now, the official statement of the exchange disclosed that 450,000 email addresses and passwords were leaked in a massive global hacking involving 24 websites and some 747 million records. Now, the COINMAMMA team basically said that on February 15th, which was yesterday, COINMAMMA was informed of a list of emails and hashed passwords that were posted on a dark web registry. Our security team is investigating, and based on the information at hand, we believe the intrusion is limited to about 450,000 email addresses and hashed passwords of users who registered until August 5th, 2017. Now, this comes part of a larger breach affecting 24 companies and a total of 747 million user records. No cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple were stolen from user wallets, and the security team at COINMAMMA is currently investigating the alleged attack. But the security breach which COINMAMMA fell victim to was not exclusive to the platform or even the cryptocurrency sector. Some of the most widely utilized platforms, such as the popular dating app like Coffee Meets, Bagel, and MyFitnessPal, reportedly suffered identical attacks to this same brokerage. Now, no usernames and passwords leaked on the dark web have been accessed by the hackers, and since the brokerage issued a statement to its users immediately after the release of the report, most users were able to change their passwords preemptively if anything happening. However, if the database of COINMAMMA dumped on the dark web had been acquired by a buyer with malicious intent, it could have led to unauthorized withdrawals on the platform's wallets that have not enabled 2FA or two-factor authentication. Now, in the short term, the company said that it will strengthen the security measures of the platform to prevent unauthorized access of user information and funds. Although no funds were stolen as a result of this breach, guys, I really believe the incident could further deteriorate the image of cryptocurrency exchanges. Perfect timing after the Canadian exchange CEO died with 190 million plus, maybe, of funds that will never be recovered. So let's look at the chart and see what Bitcoin has done. No negativity out of those articles. No negativity out of Quadriga. No negativity out of this announcement here, okay? What I'm seeing here is a bullish sign. I see a couple of bullish signs that I have been really trying to find where I think it's going next. As you can see, we have an Adam and Eve formation. I will show you another example of an Adam and Eve formation here and what we're looking for to play out. So, as you can see right here, this looks very similar to what Bitcoin has just done. See that? See that triangle there? Very similar to what Bitcoin just did. Okay? Then it comes over into a Eve pattern. Okay? That's what we're looking for to happen here. We're looking for that Eve pattern. That teacup, some people will call it, okay? To hit to the neckline would be the first target. So we can get up to the $4,300 region, which would be a nice little $500 or $600 jump. Can we see another leg down to even out this way? Yes, but most of the time you'll see a wick down and bodies finish up towards where the Eve is, right around here in this $3,400 region. So I'm pretty confident that this thing could keep going up and seeing some more upside momentum and motion. Sorry. So that's one thing I was looking at. I did 2 charts for you guys today. I also worked on the Fibonacci. Okay, 2 key things. We've got the Fibonacci worked out here. So we went from the low to the high. Okay. In crypto, we only use the 61.8 and the 78.6. That's what I use. That's the retracement tools. If it goes to all-time highs, 99% of the time it will retrace to the 78.6, which is what it's done here. Made another high. Or it would retrace to the 61.8. What you can see here is we got a downwards facing wedge, a descending wedge, which is a bullish pattern. We went off the walls 1, 2, 3, tap, 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 up to the top, rejection, and we are making a flag pattern. Now, one thing that's looking nice is this flag pattern is holding the 61.8 on a major retracement. Okay, this goes on a daily chart here. On a major retracement level, after it's broken and held, after it's broken down and held with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles in here, held this area, blasted off to the top of this descending wedge, held very nicely, and now we're seeing this consolidation in a descending pattern, like a descending wedge almost, or a bullish flag pattern. There's still a possibility of a BART pattern, bringing it right back down into this consolidation right here, bringing it right back down to the $3,300 area, then maybe double tapping back to the bottom. But it looks very bullish from here. It looks like we're consolidating in this area, getting nice and tight, and trying to get little bull flags to pop up and out, as you can see here. So what I would like to see is a nice candle to the upside, maybe a nice consolidation in this area, and a pop back to this level. My ultimate 2 levels, if we do break bullish out of this descending wedge, are around 4,500 and 4,900. These are long-term targets. We are on the daily chart, but these are my long-term levels. This will be explained in tomorrow's training video on how to properly use Fibonacci and what levels to watch for in each different situation. So, like I said, we've held this 78.6 for over a week, really blasted off with some nice volume with this relief leg, forming a nice flag. Could be a BART pattern. It's looking like a flag. It's looking like we're going to break this resistance here and pop on up. First target here, second target here, third target here on a long-term play. But this target should be met, within the next week or so. And then we could see a fall back down to retest the broken channel, to retest the broken downwards wedge here. So keep your eyes focused on that, guys. And like I said, don't do anything until it breaks out one way or another. If you're going to get into this trade, the 61.8 is a good spot because you can catch that upwards track. Now, there's always that possibility that BART comes into play, something like this. And if that happens, I think we break through, hit the bottom of this channel wall here. And but I think bullish is where we're going. I think everything is looking more bullish by the day, but we want to wait and see what Bitcoin shows us instead of guessing what we think it'll do. Look for your opportunities in your altcoins, guys. That's where the money is made. Keep your eyes out for any kind of fundamental news like this right here. If you've used this exchange, make sure you change your passwords and everything to protect yourself and keep your ear to the ground so you know what is happening in the cryptocurrency world. How dedicated are you guys? That goes to show when you can find these articles and do the right thing when it comes to making moves. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, mash that like button, mash that subscribe, hit that bell on your way out. Those of you that are brand new or just haven't taken advantage of it yet, go down to the description below, click that link, it's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. Click that link, get your free ebook, The Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. Also, a bunch of free value, a little video from Cody Sperber, the clever investor himself. Check it out, guys. Don't waste your time, and make sure you get as much free value as you can. Talk to you guys tomorrow, and see you on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.